Hi guys, now we're going to introduce a new type of line, and this is called a tangent. And basically a tangent is a line that just touches the edge of a circle, and you can see here if I get this point, I whiz it around, this line is just touching. Right, so we're going to go back to our chords. So from this point where it meets the circle, I'm going to draw a chord, and from that chord, like I've done every time, I'm going to go up to the circumference and then back down to the other end. Sorry about that. And back down to the other end. Okay, just change those to blue because they're chords. Okay, so you can see there's all these angles that are being created now. And there's an angle here between the tangent and this chord, and there's an angle between the tangent on this side and this chord, as well as the angles in the triangle. So we start to put some of these on. So oops, what am I doing? Okay, so this one should be pretty easy for you because it's angles in a triangle and angles in a straight line. So we're not even going to talk about that one. But let's start to move. Let's move the tangent first. You can see something happening. You should be able to see it pretty easily. And basically, this angle here between the tangent and the chord, you'll see is the same as that one. It's kind of like diagonally opposite. And this side, between this chord and this tangent, the same thing happens. This is 48 and that is 48. This one is the most important one. This is called the alternate segment theorem. Basically, when you have a chord, it creates two segments. And so it's in the alternate one. It's in like the other one, basically. So the angle in this segment is repeated in that segment. And that's it. So we can change the size of this triangle, and although these angles won't change, these are, and they're still staying equal to each other. So this is probably the most important one to know, and especially remember its name, alternate segment theorem.